Do you ever find yourself on a lovely Sunday wanting some of that delicious Chick-fil-A lemonade, then realizing that it's Sunday? Well, I'm going to show you how you can make your own at home. All you need to recreate the Chick-fil-A's frosted lemonade is some Sunkist lemons. Sources say that they use this exact kind of lemon, so grab some of those. Some vanilla ice cream. You can use any kind you want. I decided to use the Bluebell, no sugar added. Get some vanilla extract, lemon extract, Dominos sugar, and of course some water. So first you're going to grab about 6 to 7 Sunkist lemons and extract the juice out of them and pour it into the pitcher or container you will be using. Next, gradually start adding your water. It depends on how many servings you want and how many people are going to drink it. I just put enough to almost fill the pitcher. Okay, so you're going to need to add a cup to a cup and a half of sugar. I just started by using a half a cup at a time, but you can go ahead and dump all that sugar in there. And now after you added the sugar, the lemon juice, and the water, just go ahead and start mixing thoroughly. Okay, next you're going to add some lemon extract and vanilla extract to really give it that really good flavor. I just played it by eye. I didn't really measure it, but just drop it in and keep on tasting it to see what you like. If it can use a little more sugar, a little more extract, it all depends on how you want it to taste. When you're finished mixing and tasting, you can go ahead and close it up and go ahead and store it in the fridge for about an hour. After you let the lemonade sit in the fridge for about an hour, you're going to go ahead and grab your blender, your ice cream, some ice, and add some ice to your blender. Then go ahead and pour the lemonade as much as you want, and then you're going to add the ice cream. I used about 5 scoops of ice cream and 2 cups of ice. You're going to go ahead and start blending that. You can continually keep adding extract, sugar, ice, or ice cream as needed. Just keep on tasting it and making sure it has that taste that you like. When you finally reach the authentic Chick-fil-A frosted lemonade flavor, go ahead and pour it up in your cup, serve it, and enjoy.